Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I wanted to do this really pretty everyday natural looking makeup, well, neutral because I'm wearing lashes, but I wanted to recreate Kylie Jenner's makeup look but on a budget and using all the new Missguided makeup, which I'm super excited to share with you guys in today's video. This video is sponsored by them, so thank you to Missguided for sponsoring today's video. Everything is super affordable, cruelty free, and also vegan. So yeah, that being said, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right guys, let's go ahead and begin. I went ahead and did my brows off camera. Let's just pretend I woke up like that and my brows are naturally like this. I only wish, you guys. But yeah, I do want to say thank you to Missguided for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much for working with me on today's video, and thank you to all of you for allowing me to keep getting opportunities like this. I am super excited to share with you guys all the new Missguided beauty products. Everything is vegan, cruelty free, and I love how they have a lot of things to pick from, because this is the first ever time they release makeup and you can really tell they put a lot of work into their products. So everything I'm using in today's video, it's all gonna be from Missguided, and I'll have everything listed below as well. I'm gonna go ahead and begin by setting my brows. I am gonna be using the Right Now Brow Thickening Brow Gel. I really like the packaging. It's just like simple, cute, yet still like classy at the same time. So this is in the shade Dark, and this is what the brush looks like. So I like to go in like this because it is pigmented, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set my brows. I like to start here because this can be really pigmented like I told you, so you want the most color right here and then the least amount of color the closer you get to your brows. So I was inspired, you guys, by Kylie Jenner and her whole makeup look. So I'm gonna put a picture right here so you guys can see the vibe for today, and you know, the natural everyday glow look I'm going for. I just want to look like I woke up like that, like I've been, you know, on vacation, living my life, you know, but in reality I've been stuck at home doing homework. So I already moisturized my skin. You really want to make sure you moisturize so everything looks better. I really recommend you guys do a morning skincare routine. Mine is super simple. I honestly just put moisturizer in the morning and I call it a day because I do have oily skin, so I don't want anything to look really heavy and like, you know, too much on the skin. So I went ahead, did my moisturizer, so you know, it's giving me a nice glow. And then for primer, I'm going to be using the Thirst Base by Missguided. This is a mattifying primer, but honestly it doesn't feel really mattifying on the skin. It just like blurs the skin, it minimizes the lines, it makes everything look really pretty but not too matte, like you guys will see. So this is what the packaging looks like right here. Again, very nice, very fancy. And then this is what the actual product looks like. So as you guys can see, it's like a lotion. I just really like primers like this because they mattify your skin but they don't dry you out, and I do have eczema right here, so that's why I've been staying away from really matte primers because it would just make my skin look very dry. This one just preps your skin. It's really nice and soft on the skin. You guys see, like, it still gives you a nice glow but it mattifies at the same time. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the little hairdo. I try to do it like Kylie's, but I feel like I have a big forehead. I don't know, I'm insecure about my forehead ever since middle school. I don't know why, but I decided just to do it, you know, and try something different. And then for foundation, they did send over different shades, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys so all my foundation twins can see what shade matches us better. This is a really nice semi-matte foundation. It looks very nice and natural on the skin, and to me it has medium to full coverage, so you can really sheer this out or you can add a lot of coverage depending on the technique you use. So really nice everyday natural looking foundation. If you like your skin to look glowy and like you're eating healthy, you're drinking water, you have your life together, this is the type of foundation and the look it will give you. So they sent over number, let me go in order. So they sent over number 10 and then 11 and then also 12. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys so you can see how they look on me. So this is what it looks like right there, and as you guys can see, the formula, you see how it has like really nice glow from within. This one is a number 11, which I think is my shade, especially when I self-tan. This one is a really nice neutral olive tone foundation, which is so hard to find You guys know how much I struggle to find like a good, not too yellow foundation, and I feel like this color is perfect. So this is number 11. So again, 10, 11. And this one right here, it's number 12. And this to me, it's like a golden undertone foundation. So that's what they look like. They do oxidize just a little bit once they like set in. So again, this is 10, 11, and this is 12. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of mixing because like I said, I did self-tan. So I have that like olive undertone, yet it still have my own yellow tone, you know, color. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake this foundation. You wanna make sure you shake it. And then I'm gonna apply it with a sponge. You guys will see how pretty it looks on the skin. And again, the prices of everything is super affordable, so I really love that. I don't know if you guys can see the nice glow it gives you. I am breaking out right here. I think this breakouts right here is because I shaved my face and I think I didn't apply enough moisturizer. So now it looks like that because I do like to shave my face to give me smooth skin. I've been doing it since middle school. And my hair doesn't grow back darker or anything like that, but I notice if I do it like fast, I like break out. So be really careful. I recommend you put a lot of lotion. This is what it looks like with 2-3 layers on my skin. So I did 3 layers right here and then 2 layers like on the outer parts of my skin and then 1 layer on my forehead. So really pretty, really nice glow. I'm telling you, this foundation is just really like glowy. You're glowing from within. You're drinking your water. Speaking about water, I do have my water right here. I told you guys on my last video, I think it was like 2 videos ago, that I like to drink lemon and water. I feel like it really helps with like bloating and just makes your skin look a lot better as well. So I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer, especially right here. I like to go up just right here to give me that, you know, lifted effect. But yeah guys, I love drinking water and lemon. I highly recommend you guys do it. I like to put it all in like a little bottle like this. So I add water and then I squeezed 1 lemon in and then I cut it like 2 pieces just to decorate it and make it look pretty. And then I just put it inside the water. You can leave it overnight too to make it even more like lemony. And I feel like it tastes really good. I love lemons. I love lemonade. Lemonade's like my favorite thing ever. If I had to pick only one juice, it would be lemonade. Strawberry lemonade too. Like strawberry lemonade is the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that right here, going up. Ever since that foxy eye technique got super trendy, it like changed my eye shape. Because before I didn't like that no makeup look, only because I feel like it made me look tired and like I did not like the way it made me look. But if you do it going upwards like this and you have the same like problem where you feel like kind of like tired not wearing like heavy makeup, I would highly recommend you do that step. Or just try to go more upwards and blend everything going upwards. I'm just setting my skin with some setting powder first, and then for the rest of my skin I'm going to be going in with the Missguided Matte Trick. This is a radiant mattifying powder, so you can use this instead of setting powder, but for me, since I have oily skin, I like to go in with the setting powder and then I like to go in with this, so you guys will see. Let me go ahead and get like a pointy brush. That's what works better with products like that. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna be going in with a pointy brush like this, and then I'm gonna get some of this product. This is what the packaging looks like. Very pretty. I really like the packaging and I love the names as well. So see, this says a velvet mattifying pressed powder with illuminating rose quartz. So it makes your skin still look, again, radiant. It doesn't completely take, you know, the life away from your skin. So I like to go in with this product right here. See how it sets the forehead, yet it still gives you that really pretty glow. And then let me go ahead and contour my skin. You guys, I completely forgot. I always forget to use my cream contour products, but they also came up with the Meet Your Match contouring stick, and this is in the shade M5. These are very like light and creamy, you guys will see. So this is in the shade M5. You see how like a really nice natural looking color. So again, if you're looking for that natural looking cream contour, then I would recommend this. It gives you that really nice bronzy effect. I feel like it would have been really nice for today, but I completely forgot. But that's okay because they do also have a powder bronzer. So this is called Instant Vacay, which we all need. You see, this is like the instant vacay makeup look. It's a bronze duo powder in the shade Light. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a small little angle brush, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lightest shade. I told you guys about this technique before. I like to start with the lighter color first, and then I like to go in with a darker shade so everything looks blended. Or you can also do a darker shade and then blend it out with the lighter shade bronzer. Everything just looks like more blended and more seamlessly. So I'm starting with the lighter shade color, and I like how this one has two different like color bronzers, and again, really pretty packaging, and the names I love as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix them in. And I also really appreciate how it's matte and it doesn't have, you know, any shimmer. I just love me a good matte bronzer. I would say it's a really good neutral tone bronzer, so this color really goes well with my skin tone. And even if you're lighter than me, you can definitely use this product because it's not extremely pigmented where you go like that and then put it and then you cannot blend it. No, it's a product you can like build, you know, to make it look intense. I'm gonna go ahead and use that same bronzer and apply it on my crease. So I'm just gonna be going in with the fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix it both in. And you can tell KYLIE has like a little bit of eyeshadow. Yeah, she does. Really, really pretty. I really like this makeup look. Oh, I also have this highlighter right here that I want to show you guys. So this is called the High Lit Liquid Highlighter. So you guys know I don't really like highlighter like that, but this is in the shade Golden Hour, and it's gonna give you that really nice golden hour finish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit in the back of my hand. This is the packaging, by the way, so you can really control where it's going since it has that applicator. So I'm just gonna take some, and then I'm just gonna use it as shadow to give me that really nice I am, you know, in a private beach type of makeup look. I haven't even been to the beach, you guys, ever since I moved here to Texas, which is so sad. I miss Puerto Rico so bad. I was supposed to go last year, but again, you know, with everything that happened, everything got like canceled and stuff. So I cannot wait to see my family. Of course, when this is all over, I will be going there. And then if you want like actual eyeshadow or a cream shadow, they also have this one right here, which is a cream shadow. It's called Lids. That's like what it says in the packaging. Again, really cute names. And this is in the shade Sangria, which is number 5. And this is the color, you guys. This for Valentine's Day, again, it's because since it's February, you guys know I cannot say that month, but since it's love month for me, I feel like pinks, everything is just like the perfect time to, you know, use those colors. And this is just a really nice cream shadow. It's a really pretty color. I'm also gonna go ahead, you guys, and apply some mascara. I'm gonna be taking the Oh Hi Lash Mascara. This is a lengthening and definition fiber mascara in the shade Black. So I love lengthening mascaras because I don't really have long lashes. So for me, in my opinion, lengthening works 10 times better. So this is what the applicator looks like. You see, applicators like this and more like drier formulas like this, I feel like works better. So I'm gonna go ahead and add probably 2 layers on. Oh wow, this is actually very lengthened. The brush applicator doesn't feel harsh, like it's not poking your eye, but it's still lifting your lashes. So I'm very impressed with this. Of course, I'm gonna be adding lashes because I cannot live without lashes. Once you do lashes, you can never go back. So if you guys are not into lashes, just don't go there, because then you will never go back and it's just like an obsession. And then for the inner corner, they also have pressed powder highlighters. So this is the High Lit highlighter powder in the shade Ice Out. Really pretty. I like how you can see the product. Like, you don't have to open it to see, you can just see it in your vanity or in your, you know, makeup bag. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of highlighter here. So I showed you guys this before, like 2 videos ago, because they are matte blushes. They are high pigmented matte blush and they're called Stop I'm Blushing. So this is in the shade FOMO, which is my favorite one because it's a really nice pink coral shade, like peachy at the same time. Look how pretty, you guys. They're super pigmented, so be really careful. Don't say I didn't warn you. They're definitely like one of my favorite things out of this whole collection. I'm just gonna grab a little bit, tap excess, and apply going upwards. I also need to darken up my beauty mark. They do have this, which is really impressive. It's the Freckles Appeal Freckle Pen. Really cute packaging again, and this is in the shade Original Frex. So I guess they only have one color. So if you like that faux, you know, freckle effect, or you have already freckles and you just want to enhance them, this is something perfect for you because it's not that pigmented, and then you can just blend it out. So I'm just gonna use that for my beauty marks, which I have right here and right here. So I am gonna grab just a little bit of highlighter, just a tiny bit, and just apply some right here and then right here. This is really pigmented, so again, be really careful because a little bit goes a long way. While I wait for my lashes to dry a little bit, I'm gonna move on to the lips. So of course I'm gonna take, where's my brown liner? I'm just gonna take a simple brown lip liner because I am nothing without a good brown lip liner. It's called Note to Self. It's a beautiful nude shade, and I absolutely love the packaging too. It just looks really nice and expensive looking. And this is called the Gimme Lip Matte lipstick, and this is the color, you guys. I think I have found another bomb nude. Look at that, it's so pretty and so creamy. I feel like especially in darker skin tones, it's gonna be such a bomb nude. So I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss. So Missguided has 2 different glosses. They have the plumping gloss. It's called the hashtag no filler plumping lip gloss, because you're not gonna need any lip fillers when using this. You guys know plumping lip glosses just make everything look a lot more juicier and, you know, plumper. So this is the packaging right here. This is just in a clear color. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the center of my lips. Be careful where you put this because it will turn a little red if you put it like outside your lip. I'm gonna put that there. And then they also have this one right here, which is called the Lip Juice, and it's the Super Shine lip gloss with lots of shimmer. And this is in the shade Glaze Over, and to me it smells very like fruity. So I'm just gonna add that on top. And then this is what the look looks like with no lashes. Really pretty. Again, everyday natural makeup. But I'm gonna go ahead and just add some lashes because you guys know me, I just cannot live without them. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I feel like I did a really good job at creating or recreating this makeup look, but you know, using affordable products, and I really enjoy it. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to be recreating it, and also let me know what other Valentine's Day makeup tutorial you guys would like to see, because I'm thinking of doing a red lip and just keeping it still really classy and nothing like hot pink on the eyes. But you guys let me know what you would like to see. I also really enjoyed all the new Missguided makeup, you guys. I feel like it performed very nice quality. I absolutely love the blushes. I feel like that's one of my favorites, and also I really enjoyed the lip combo. I feel like we have a new lip combo alert. But yeah, I'll have everything listed below. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. Thank you once again to Missguided for working with me on today's video, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next one.